Hello, boys and girls. Today I want to read you a story. This story is called About Birds. About Birds by Catherine Sill. About birds. Birds have feathers. Looks like a cardinal. Baby birds hatch from eggs. That's a robin. Those are blue eggshells. That's what robins have, blue eggs. Some birds build nests on the ground. Look at that, looks like a little cave in there. Some build in very high places. That's an eagle. Eagles love to be really high up. And some do not build a nest at all. Looks like a penguin, but I'm not sure it is. Birds travel in different ways. These are geese. They fly in a V shape. Most birds fly. You know what that is. That's a hummingbird. But some also swim. Looks like a wood duck to me. Look, there's the male and the female. Remember, the female is not so brightly colored, so she can blend in. She wants to camouflage herself and not let predators see her. And others run. Ooh, there's the roadrunner. Look how his feet curl right on back when he's running. Do you see his claws curling up? He lives in the desert. Deserts have cactuses, and sometimes they even grow really bright colored flowers. Birds may flock together. A group of birds is called a flock, or live alone. Now you can see that owl, they live alone. Birds use their bills to gather food. That's only one of the reasons birds use their bills, isn't it? We learned of other reasons. Can you think of another reason the bird uses its bill? I think it's to make bird calls to get a girlfriend. Or did you say fight off predators? That's another reason. Or maybe you said the different colors on the bill help other birds know that their friends are near. Maybe that's what you said. They sing to let other birds know how they feel. I forgot that one, didn't I? The bird song. Birds come in all different sizes. Look how many sizes they have in that picture right there. Birds are important to us. You can see a bird feeder here, can't you? Now I have some other information at the back of the book. This is called an afterword. Afterword tells you more information in the book. Number one is what? Let's look. There are more than 10,000 species of birds in the world. Over 700 species live in the United States and Canada. Feathers protect birds from the elements. Because feathers are so light and strong, they enable birds to fly. Northern cardinals are popular backyard birds in eastern areas of the United States and parts of Southwest. They live in brushy areas with dense cover. Look at the second one here. Although all birds hatch from eggs, different species have different nesting habits. The female American robin builds cup-shaped nests in shrubs or trees from materials such as twigs or grass or feathers and even string. The nest is reinforced with soft mud and lined with the fine grasses. American robins are common across North America in many habitats, including fields, forests, shrublands, tundra, and yards. What does that word tundra mean? I wonder. Let's see if I can switch to a new share and show you what that is. There it is. It says that tundra is a noun. Let's see if you can hear the word. A vast, flat, treeless Arctic region of Europe, Asia, North America, in which the subsoil is permanently frozen. Subsoil is down below where we walk with our feet. Down a few feet, it never thaws in a tundra. Isn't that amazing? All right, let's look at number 3. Birds use nests to protect their eggs and chicks from predators and bad weather. So not only do the nests protect from predators, but also if they have bad weather. Nests built on the ground are often hidden or camouflaged. Ovenbirds are named for their small dome-shaped nests that resemble old-fashioned ovens. These birds nest in forests across Canada and eastern United States. In winter, ovenbirds migrate to the southeastern United States, the Caribbean, Mexico, Central America, and northern South America. All right, let's look at number 4. Oh, look it up in the tree there. Many birds build nests above the ground, varying the height according to the needs of the individual species of birds. Bald eagles usually nest in tall trees that provide a wide view. They nest on a cliff face or even on the ground in areas where tall trees do not grow. Bald eagles live in most of North America. I wonder, have you ever seen a bald eagle? Let's look at number 5 over here. Some birds scrape out a place to lay eggs right on the ground. Common merles lay pointed pear-shaped eggs on rocky ledges. The elongated shape of the egg causes them to roll in a circular motion, thus preventing them from toppling off the edge. Ooh, we wouldn't want that. Common merles live on northern oceans around the world. They only come to shore to nest. So they live out in the ocean, but when they want to nest with their eggs, they come ashore. I was wondering, what does a common merle look like? So I went and I looked at a video. I want to see if you can see that video too. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that was very interesting. Let's look at number 6. See if I can move there we go. Now we can see number 6. Most birds use flight to move around. Flying helps them get food, find safe places to raise young, and avoid predators. Canadian geese are strong flyers. They are able to migrate hundreds of miles in spring and fall. Canadian geese are native to most of North America. They have been introduced in England and Northwest Europe and New Zealand. All right, let's look at this one, number 7. Hummingbirds are able to fly forward, backward, sideways, and upside down. Did you know a hummingbird could fly upside down? I sure didn't. Ruby-throated hummingbirds are powerful flyers, beating their wings about 53 times per second. They nest in eastern North America and migrate means move, to Central America for the winter. Most of them fly across the Gulf of Mexico in a single flight. That means they don't stop at all. All right, our last one. Some birds swim underwater to find food and to avoid predators. Others stay on the surface most of the time. Wood ducks have webbed feet that enable them to swim. They are also strong flyers. Wood ducks live in wooded swamps and forest waterways across parts of North America and central Cuba. I hope you enjoyed learning some more about birds today. I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for listening.